are IT professionals facing today? Complexity, gibberish, immature, ignorant vendor partners, people who do not understand them. The challenge with IT professionals in their quest to get telemetry, and what telemetry means is an understanding of your IT environment so you can provide detail on the count, the cost, the caliber, or how it performs, is really an exercise in collecting the data. And in the enterprise today, whether it be government agencies or large super enterprises, it's not that IT professionals don't know what they want or how to do it when they get it. It's the data, it's the process, whether that be from legacy systems, from acquisitions, from growth. The challenge is the data silos that they have to go through, the data processes they have to go to. And the IT vendors today do not make that easy. They build their products around what they want instead of what the customers have. You have to meet the customer where he and she is today, and that is in a complex environment. FOG and FogLifter stands for frequency of garble, so frequency of garble lifter. And we mean that. When you are an IT professional and you are told you need to go and provide some IT transparency, you need to go find, first of all, lots of data sources, and then you need to correlate the data sources to what the business cares about. And in most cases, it's application. That's simple concept, simple to say, hard to do. Getting IT assets, whether it be cloud, whether it be on-premise, and circling them around this idea of what is an application or what is owned by what business at a level of that is useful is the challenge. And the only way that can happen at the enterprise level is to essentially find the sources of information and pull them together, correlate them with the various business pieces of data. VSO calls that process identifying the wheel of pain, which means if you want to produce, let's say, storage utilization by application, or you want to identify the blast radius of essentially what happens when an application goes down, you have to then go find the server data, the storage data, and not just from one or two sources, because your server data might be Red Hat, it might be Windows, it might be in the cloud. All of these pieces make a modern application. And then you have to begin to take all of these IT tools, which are not designed to work together, and pull them all together. And inevitably, what has to happen? People put them in spreadsheets. Spreadsheets which are not designed for 60,000 rows and pivot tables that take days to load. This is essentially what the process is in modern IT. What FogLifter seeks to do is, first of all, identify these various sources, build collectors to them, and put it into a modern database where essentially you can create these correlations in a rapid fashion, and then you can get some real telemetry off them. Now, AI is in everyone's mouth today. AI is not possible in a realistic way without good data. So these large language models that makes ChatGPT and Copilot so effective have taken years to develop and understand. And so just slapping an AI interface on essentially bad data will produce more lies. So FogLifter is essential to the IT journey when it comes to telemetry, to understanding your IT assets and understanding your environment.